Hello everyone. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Stagecoach Bus Pass to your Apple Wallet in 2026. Now, you need to understand that not all the Stagecoach tickets support Apple Wallet directly. Most of the Stagecoach tickets are mobile tickets inside the application and not the Wallet Pass. So if you don't see this type of add to Apple Wallet option, it simply means that your ticket type does not support it. So you need to first of all open the Stagecoach bus application. Afterwards, you need to simply go to the My Tickets section and select your ticket. Then you need to activate your ticket and show it to the driver when boarding. Your ticket stays stored inside the application and it works as a digital pass. Now, some of the digital tickets and the regions may support the wallet option. So when you are on the ticket selection page, you just have to look for this particular button that says add to Apple Wallet. If you are able to find this particular option, it simply means that you can add your ticket to the Apple Wallet. So it's going to be the positive sign. After that, you need to tap on this option and follow further on screen instructions in order to add it to your Apple Wallet. Now, even without the wallet passes, you can still use Apple Wallet for travel. For that, you just have to tap on your iPhone or Apple Watch on the bus reader using Apple Pay. Stagecoach supports contactless payments on the buses, and this is often the easier method than using the tickets. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.